YouTube. My name is Pretty Gamer Jazz. Obviously, you can just call me Jazz, and I'm gonna go to Puerto Rico, and I want you guys to come along with me. So we finally made it to our hotel. It's like super hot out here. I have on a jacket. I'm gonna take it off. Craziness in the hotel. I mean, not the hotel, the airport. Waited for 4 hours. My bag got on a different flight. I had to check it. That's neither here nor there because we're here now. Pretty view. Gotta show you guys a really nice. We are in Old San Juan. The hotel's nice. I'll show more when we get inside. But yeah. La Vergüenza, I don't know what that is. But trying to get some authentic Spanish food. So we'll see how it goes. I got a strawberry daiquiri. The vibes are good. There's like pigeons walking around everywhere. Y'all can see those. Not a fan at all. I got something called what was it called? Mofongo. Mashed plantain, and I got some fish too, so see how that goes. Let's wait.
Leather.
Oh yeah. What the underside feel like? That's slimy. That's slimy?
No. Bro, can I see that?
I thought he gonna grab me.
Can I see that?
We finally made it. Left the beach. Now we're at this place called Mojito. Got me a deep fried red snapper. I've been wanting fried snapper for so long. I'm exhausted. I know I look it. We were in the water for like 3 hours. For like a whole 3 hours. So I'm very exhausted. I finally got me a drink though. Got me a passion fruit mojito. I had to get a mojito at Mojitos, whatever. But I'm exhausted. After we eat, I'm just gonna go back to the place and go to our hotel and sleep. So yeah, hopefully later, we get out and get a drink. To the house, cleaned up a little bit. Now we're back out trying to look for
there's a Wendy's. Y'all want Wendy's for dinner?
Trying to look for a supermarket to get some groceries and stuff because we've been buying a lot of food while we've been here, but it ain't looking too good. I don't know if we're ever gonna find it. Well, we're probably just still far. I don't know. We're looking though, we're looking for it. And then after that we're gonna go get some drinks because we passed a place that was happy hour all day, like all day. So I could use some $5 margaritas for sure. Yeah, the scenery out here is literally so nice. It's so nice. Like, look at this. Oh, this is it. Supermax. Let's do it. Well, found the supermarket.
Excuse me, ladies.
So they have a little scanner on the wall for us to check our temperatures on our head. Ooh, the cute little basket.
Yeah, normal basket.
Right. But yeah, so it's a cute little market. What you want to get out of here?
There's something for breakfast for tomorrow.
For tomorrow? Oh yeah, because we're gonna be getting up early. But I mean, we can't really cook nothing, can we?
No.
Okay.
So I don't really know.
We're going to the rainforest tomorrow.
Get like
Yeah, we're going to the rainforest tomorrow, and they're coming to pick us up at 8 o'clock. So breakfast in our hotel is until 8:30. So we're not gonna have time to get breakfast. So we're gonna make something. Is this the yuca root?
Yes.
This is it. Guys, I had yuca for the first time, guys.
Put it in the microwave.
This,
You tripping? I'm buying dinner.
it was fried. It was good. It was cool. But yeah, they have household names in here. Of course, this is Puerto Rico. It's U.S. territory. Changing what?
No, that's ginger.
Ginger. I think that is gigantic. Y'all look at this ginger. I ain't never seen no ginger this big in my life. Wow, that's crazy. So we found this place, La Mama del Gelato. They have a really cute setup. Sherbet. Which one was your favorite?
The white chocolate.
The white chocolate? This one was really good. White chocolate and cherries. I don't even eat ice cream like that, but it's really good. So I'm gonna get it. But if I get it, I'll eat some. I don't know. Oh, she made it look cute. Oh, oh wow, thank you. Our van finally got here. Y'all don't even want to know what it took for us to make it over here. We have to end up coming to the Condado Plaza to go where we're going. But our van is finally here. Over there. But wait. I need, as long as I got a window seat, honey. As long as I got a window seat, honey. So yeah, BRB.
Yeah.
Ooh, finally free. Going to through the rainforest. Those roads are like crazy skinny. Like I think I almost lost my life twice.
It's like a video game. It's a real scary fucking video game.
Where you can actually die.
Yeah.
Right. The reality is like you don't get another one.
Yeah.
But yes, wish me luck. Because we hiking and I do not have the appropriate shoes on. I have on Vans. He talking about I'm gonna get mud on my Vans. I'm gonna get mud on my good Vans. But we here. So wish us luck. Oh. We hiking. I'm already dying. We only walked 2 feet. Oh man. This will be interesting.
Lady Susan. Okay. Once you touch them, they close their leaf because they don't feel safe. Once they feel safe again, they open their leaves again. Okay.
Damn.
I done got hoes today, dude.
Left. Don't be scary.
Okay.
More. Lay on the rug. For yourself. 1, 2, 3.
Freak.
Both feet closed. Like that. And your arms across your chest.
Okay. Like this.
You're gonna lay back a little, okay? 3, 2, 1.
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
Safe to say, that was too much fun. Jumped off of a cliff for the first time ever. As soon as I jumped off, I was looking for something to stand on. There was nothing there, so I had like a mini panic attack mid-air. But everything was cool once I hit the water. We did like a little a slide, like a nature-made slide from the water going down. We drank some of the spring water, really fresh, really fresh. Got some good videos of the Tarzan slide. It's crazy because I'm gonna be dry before we get back to the van at this point, like. But everything was fun. I definitely recommend that. I gotta tell everybody about that. Now we're gonna go get some good empanadas. Oh, and the tour guide gave me a waterproof case, so I was able to get some cool videos on there. I was scared to use it, but it worked, so I ain't even mad. I had a minor hiccup today. I've been in the house all day. Well, the hotel, I haven't left the hotel today. I had a minor hiccup. Like I literally woke up, you know how I have really bad, when it's my time of the month, I have a really hard time. I've been laying around, had to run to the store and try to go get some medicine, and, some ibuprofen. It took everything out of me to go down there cramping so bad and come back. So I've been asleep, pretty much just woke up. It's like 5 o'clock. So we leave tomorrow. So it's okay. I've had such a great time being here. It's not bothering me that I needed to. It's not bothering me that I needed to take a seat for today. So I'm not really tripping. The girls, they went. The girls went to go do chili boats. I guess chili boats are they're like bikes. So I did want to go, but I didn't want to, end up being back in pain. That's always the first day. I always need to just relax. So that's what I'm doing. What's a better place to relax, So today's the last day. I leave at 4. Well, my flight's at 4. We already checked out of the hotel. Right now we're at a restaurant called Maui's Great Burger. It's completely vegan and plant-based. Autumn, she's vegan, so we obviously haven't been at any vegan spots this whole time. So we finally came to one. Their menu was pretty. I don't even know the word for it. There was a lot of different stuff on the menu. I got spicy chicken sandwich. So every time I eat vegan food, I'm never sold. So we'll see how it goes this time. This is all the Miss Vegan right here.
Hi, happy Earth Day.
It's Earth Day, so allude to that. That's why we're at Vegan Spot as well. Yeah, it's Earth Day. So we're eating vegan today. Cross my fingers and hope it goes well, because I don't know, but I think it'll be good. I don't think I've ever been to an actual vegan restaurant that's not fast food. So you can see it soon. What'd you get? The spicy chicken. She said like a tofu patty. Like a tofu patty. Honey mustard.
Like whatever you
season it as, but you have to season it like really heavy. The cheese on the bag. Okay.
So I got Maui's Great Burger. It's beef, Impossible beef with white American cheese, onions, caramelized onions, vegan mayo. Let me see if I can open it. And lettuce.
Wait, but she doesn't close. Okay, I'm about to send her an idea and be like, can you make this for me?
Because you would get in line. Me and I wait years.
Are you serious?
Yes. And I
This
was
is
like,
not
she
bad.
likes to do it though. Not for us.
Oh, it's not bad.
Someone else like, can you make